A pipe burst, a leak, a small flood. And now you're wondering, is this something I can handle myself, or is it time to call a professional? Here's how to actually tell the difference. As a general rule, water damage affecting more than about 10 square feet, roughly the size of a small bathroom, is considered significant enough to warrant professional equipment and assessment, not just towels and a fan. Time is one of the biggest factors. If water has been sitting for more than 24 to 48 hours, materials like drywall, subflooring, and insulation have likely already started absorbing it, and DIY drying usually isn't enough at that point. Clean water from a supply line is lower risk, but gray water from appliances or black water from sewage or outdoor flooding contains contaminants that require professional cleanup. This isn't a job for a mop and bucket. If water has soaked into drywall, baseboards, or subflooring, not just sitting on a hard surface, it's typically already beyond a simple cleanup. Materials like these hold moisture internally, even after the visible water is gone. A lingering musty odor, even after the area looks dry, is often a sign that moisture is trapped somewhere, inside a wall, under flooring, or in insulation, and that mold growth may already be starting. Warped flooring, bubbling paint, or discolored drywall are signs that moisture has already caused structural changes to materials. These issues typically won't resolve on their own, even once the area appears dry on the surface. If you can't identify exactly where the water is coming from, or if it keeps reappearing, that's a strong signal professional detection tools are needed, because drying an area without stopping the source just leads to repeat damage. Water anywhere near electrical outlets, wiring, or structural framing is a safety issue, not just a cleanup issue. These situations call for professional assessment to rule out hazards that aren't visible to an untrained eye. As a simple guideline, small, contained, clean water spills you catch immediately are often manageable. Anything larger, older, smellier, or unclear in origin is worth a professional evaluation. Catching it early is almost always cheaper than fixing it later. Not sure if your situation needs a professional? Gold Coast Flood Restorations offers 24/7 emergency water damage assessment and restoration throughout San Diego County. Call 619-4499-611 for a free evaluation, because a quick check today can prevent a much bigger problem tomorrow.